Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on iCoinPro Team Bonuses. What are the team bonuses that you get when you decide to start iCoinPro with me and be on my team? Now, before we get into the team bonuses, let's go over the disclaimers of iCoinPro. Trading disclaimer, trading results disclaimer. This is 100% on you. You are taking the risk, and this is not a guarantee of income, wins, or trading gains. You are going to be able to learn how to trade, and you are going to take the risk upon yourself. And earnings and income disclosure on the affiliate side or network marketing side. It takes hard work to build an online business. If you decide to purchase anything from one of my links, I will make a commission. And most people make nothing because they never actually build a business and take the time to learn the skills that they need to, which is also the case with trading. Most people give up and just do one or two trades after thinking they know the strategy, and then giving up when they lose one or two trades. So income results, no results guaranteed. And so that's pretty much it for the disclaimers. Please see the disclaimers in the description of this video as well. Alright, now that we're done with the disclaimers, what are the bonuses on my team? Well, basically, I have a video right here that will play on my thank you page, and right here we explain all of the bonuses after the timer runs out. So when the timer runs out, you'll be able to get my 10K funnel, which is this funnel right here. So I will build you my exact funnel. So I'll build you my capture page, I'll build you my thank you page, I'll coach you on how to do a bridge video so that you can have your own high converting thank you page. There will be a button up here just like this. There will be a button down here. I'll put your phone number, your email, and I'll put these as your bonuses, and you can have this as well. Okay? So bonus number 2 is your personal coaching and access to me. Now also, I build you out an email autoresponder series so that way when people opt in, they actually get follow-up emails that go back to your thank you page, which is right here, so that way you actually have a follow-up system for iCoinPro, and it is branded to you with your email, your picture, your name, and your phone number, and your picture of you and your email. So that way everything is coded to you, looks like you, branded to you, and it all goes back to your funnel. So that's what we do in iCoinPro and all of my teams inside of every program, is we actually build out a branded funnel for you so that you can get results. Now, personal coaching to me, you can always reach out to me, get help from me, and I can always help you overcome any obstacle that you have in your business. So reach out to me at any time. And then bonus number 3 is my no BS traffic Rolodex, so you will actually be able to get my #1 top traffic source and actually top 3 traffic sources to actually build your iCoinPro business and get more traffic to your branded funnel that we build together, right? This will be your capture page. And so it's a capture page, it's a capture page that goes to the bridge video and then goes to the tour, alright? And then we have bonus number 4, email marketing deliverability training. So I'll teach you how to increase your email marketing deliverability, set up your DKIM settings, and make sure that your funnel's set up. Now, I also do this for you when you decide to get started with my team. So you don't need to do anything other than buy traffic and get people to your funnel that we build together. Okay? So, but anyways, I have additional trainings. Bonus number 5 is my personal email autoresponder follow-up series. So along with the funnel, I will give you all of my emails that I use for iCoinPro. It is not at 230. I need to edit this. It's actually only like at 60 or 90. But I am building it out slowly over time. So I have a bunch of emails for every program for all of my team members. So that's also a bonus right here. Bonus number 6 is how to make high converting capture pages. Yes, I'll build you a high converting capture page right here. And I'll even build you a better one for paid traffic. But I will teach you how to build a high converting capture page so that you know how to do that on your own for any program or business that you want to promote in the future. Bonus number 7 is recruit on demand script. Okay, so if you want to talk to people or you want to collect phone numbers and you want to actually call people back, that's a great strategy. Here's an awesome script that will actually help you close, convert, and get to know people. Okay, and then here is a bonus number 8, done for you bridge page template to automate sales. So this is actually a slideshow that you can use in place of the bridge video right here, so that way you can make a professional slideshow video that shares your story, and you can type your story in the text. I do not have this specifically set up for iCoinPro, so that is why I made a talking head video for my thank you video, but eventually I'll have a really good slideshow template for iCoinPro. But this is the template that I've used for all my other programs, and iCoinPro is my first cryptocurrency program that I'm really promoting, so I need to go ahead and take the time to edit that over to a cryptocurrency offer rather than a home-based business affiliate offer. But anyways, you can still use this template on your own. You can still edit it on your own. I can coach you on it, and I can also help you use this template to make a talking head video. So I will also be building this out into a completely done for you usable iCoinPro slideshow template for you to use. That'll be available in the near future. And then bonus number 9 is top 11 video ideas to generate more autopilot leads online. So what kind of videos can you make on YouTube to post online and to actually get traffic to your iCoinPro business opportunity, so that way you can get free traffic to this business, right? And then bonus number 10 is the proven 6-figure daily marketing checklist. So what are the things that you need to do every day to build your business in iCoinPro and actually recruit people and make sure that you are building a steady business and a steady income, right? So those are all 10 of my bonuses. And basically what you need to understand is when you work with me on my team, I build everything for you and coach you on the very simple steps that you need to do to build your online business, such as email your list, make a few videos, and maybe go on Facebook, start building your friends, and start posting a little bit there. And from there, you can start to scale your business and start seeing results. So those are my bonuses. I will build you out this exact funnel. And when you go ahead and let me go ahead and show you what this page looks like when you refresh it. So here's what it looks like when you refresh it. It'll actually say congratulations name. So it'll take the name of the person that actually opted in, and it'll have their name up here. I just went directly to the URL, so it doesn't have that. And then we have a video, a timer right here, and then they can't scroll down anymore. And then it has our phone number, our email, and this will be your name, your phone number, your email with your picture. And then when a timer runs out, it will go ahead and look like this. Button will pop up, and then your bonuses will be here. These will all be your bonuses, not my bonuses. So you can take my trainings, take my emails, take my funnel, take everything in here and give it away as your bonuses. How cool is that? That's why I'm the best mentor in any network marketing or affiliate marketing program. I am absolutely the bee's knees. I am the greatest leader that you will ever work with inside of network marketing, and I can absolutely back that up with what I do for people. I go into people's accounts, I set it up for you. There are people getting results on my team in other programs. No results guaranteed. It takes hard work to build a business. People do listen to me. Some people don't listen to me and they just don't get results, and so that's okay. They can do things on their own. But I really work in depth with my team to make sure that everything's set up so that you are professional, so that you have everything that you need to succeed. And so you do not want to work with anyone else. You do not want to join anyone else. You do not want to work with any other leader that you think is a leader. They will not have time for you. I'm the only person that will actually have unlimited time for you 24/7 and will actually take my time and energy to build you a funnel and to help and coach you on how to promote this program safely, properly, compliantly, and make sure that you can build a team inside of iCoinPro and take advantage of the compensation plan. So that way you can also take the compensation plan income, put it into day trading, and that way you have a perpetual system that runs itself, and you can actually build your Bitcoin asset without having to risk anything, right? Imagine if you had people in iCoinPro and you had enough people in here that you could use that money to day trade, and then now you're not even day trading with your own money, you're day trading with money that people are paying you in your network marketing team. So how cool is that, right? So that's why I like iCoinPro. It's a really cool program that can build that can build in multiple levels. You can join and buy it as a product. You can join as an affiliate. You don't have to join as an affiliate. You can buy the product itself. So that's why it's compliant. It is a real product. It is a real training. Here's the iCoinPro training right here. Here's the boot camp. You get this for free. This is a really awesome training on how to trade. You'll actually be able to go through this, and you'll actually be able to start going into the market and start trading using these 8 videos. Each video is like 5 minutes. It only takes you like 30 minutes to learn how to trade. And then you'll also have this available as a free pre-enrollee, and then all of this will actually be locked until you become a paid member, which is really, really amazing training. And they're actually updating the training and adding more things. So they added something in here the other day. I saw it in the Facebook group. It's gonna be something. Oh, it was this right here. This one right here, and then yeah, they added this right here, this one, and then so yeah, they keep adding a few more trainings in here. Things are being updated. So that's why I really like iCoinPro, is they're not leaving everything behind. They're focused completely on the actual education of the product, which makes the product valuable and worthwhile. And then now I will admit the network marketing side is lacking. They don't really have anything. They do have the registration page where people can go ahead and enter their name and their email and actually pre-enroll, and then they can decide to purchase on their own inside of the iCoinPro back office. They are building out a capture page for iCoinPro right now. They are releasing some banners, but you do not want to rely on that to build your program. You do not want to use that anyways. You want to have your own funnel branded to you that will go to iCoinPro, and so that way you can actually get conversions and stand out from the crowd, be an elite who is actually authoritative and will stand out. And you do not need income proof to be able to do this. There is no income proof in this video, and it works very, very well. So you do not need to have previous experience results to be able to make iCoinPro work or any network marketing program work. The beauty about working with me as well on my team is I can help build you a funnel for any and every program you've ever tried to promote. So if you have some other programs that you want to also build, we can focus on iCoinPro, then focus on some other programs. As you get the skills down, we can start to scale out into other programs, get that traffic, sell that program, and even get that traffic into other programs and cross-promote things on our list, so that way we can have more offers and more opportunities to make sales from our list. And so yeah, that's really the iCoinPro bonuses being on my team. Best team ever to ever be on in any program. Best iCoinPro team, period. I am the best sponsor, and even if you already have an iCoinPro account with the company or something, you might just want to have your spouse open up an account, and you might want to just start building a team with me as your spouse account or your friend's account or something, because I'm really, really serious about building iCoinPro, and I am going to be building one of the biggest teams here. That's my projection. I'm not going to be giving up. I'm going to be building this out very seriously. So I already have over 20 pre-enrollees, so it's just going to keep going from there. No income results guaranteed. Please see the income disclosure for anything that I may have said in this video. If I had said anything that was exaggerative or false or anything, please understand that it was not my desire to do that. Please refer to the income disclosures and the disclaimers here. No results are typical. It takes hard work to build a business, and all the risk is on you. You are the one that is deciding to educate yourself in the markets and take the risk to trade cryptocurrency. So that is on you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications, and I think that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications, and also visit my website, justinleontemple.com/ICP-CP to get on my list and become a pre-enrollee in iCoinPro and decide to get started on my team as a member, so that you can go ahead and start building out your team and learning more in-depth trading strategies within iCoinPro. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications for future videos. And again, let's build out your funnel. Let's start sharing iCoinPro with the people that you know in your audience and start getting traffic to your business so that you can start building and trading Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. My name is Justin Temple, and I am the best sponsor in any program. If you're watching this video and you join someone else, you're an absolute fool. Join me.